You are going to love the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.